You have an 800,000 budget and you think you're in the driver's seat. Here is the uncomfortable truth. In North Atlanta, 800,000 is the most competitive, high-pressure price point in the market. It is where the most two-bidder scenarios happen. But if you think 800,000 buys the same life in Alpharetta as it does in Roswell, you're about to make a very expensive mistake. Today, I'm acting as your project manager to show you exactly where your equity goes and where it disappears. In Alpharetta, 800,000 buys you the brand. But here's the trade-off. You're likely buying a smaller lot, higher density, and a home that probably hasn't had a kitchen renovation since 2005. You're paying for the prestige, especially when we're talking about the most walkable area in the North Atlanta, which is the zip code 30009 in Alpharetta. If you want to walk to dinner, you pay the tax and square footage. Is the walkability worth a smaller backyard? For some people, the answer is absolutely yes. For others, it is no. Johns Creek is an academic powerhouse, but let's talk about the Johns Creek Island. At 800,000, you get the most house, big brick traditionals, and finished basements. But you are trading your time if you work in Midtown or even Perimeter. Your commute is logistical hurdle. This is just a fact. You are buying stability and schools, but you are choosing a car-dependent lifestyle. If you hate traffic and you hate being in the car, Johns Creek at 800,000 might feel like a golden cage. Roswell has the character, the trees, and the soul. But at 800,000, we have to talk about the Roswell red flags. Many homes in this price point were built in the era of synthetic stucco or have aging cedar siding. If you aren't prepared for a higher maintenance budget, that charming Roswell home will eat your equity in repairs. It is the choice for the buyer who values a half-acre lot over a turnkey interior. Regardless of the city, at 800,000, you are competing with everyone. This is why you don't just look at houses. You need a strategy to be the preferred bidder. I don't care how much you love the crown molding. If the inspection shows a 20,000 foundation issues in Roswell or a 30,000 roof replacement in Johns Creek, we have to know the numbers before we fall in love. I have put together the North Atlanta 800,000 comparison matrix. It breaks down the price per square foot, the average commute times, and the hidden maintenance risks for all these three cities. This isn't brochure, it is a project plan for your move. Click the link below or DM me compare to get the data most agents just will not tell you.